Hello folks and welcome back to another Photoshop tutorial. I have this photo of this man. I duplicate it by dragging it to the new layer icon, then I turn off the original background picture. I create a solid white layer to use it as a background. I select the quick selection tool, and I click on subject to make a selection to the man. I press Ctrl or Command J to duplicate the selection, and I turn off the other layer. Now, I select this two layers and I group it. I select the man and I convert it into a smart object. I will scale it. I want the face of the man more bigger, almost taking the whole document. I press Ctrl or Command L to bring up the level adjustment. I go to Image, Adjustments, then I select Brightness and Contrast. I move the sliders a little bit. I need to create some guides. I will go to View, and I select New Guide Layout. I can enter the number of columns and rows. I put 2 in both columns and rows and I press OK. Now I select the rectangular marquee tool and I make a selection in this left part. With the guides created is much better for making the selections. I click now on the layer mask icon. If I press Ctrl or Command I switch the layer mask. I go to the View menu again, then Show. And I select guides to hide them from the canvas. Now I duplicate the man group layer and I rename it. One will be the right and the left face side. Let's type the text. I have it written already, so I will just copy and paste it. I will be pasting every line word in separate text layers. You don't have to do this like me, you can simply put your text in one layer. But the reason I'm doing this by this way is because I want to have more control of my text. The color of the text it doesn't matter because we'll be creating a layer mask. I have grouped all the text layers so now I can scale it to fit and cover the face a little bit more. I will unhide the guides again to align the text better. And also, I can turn off layers if necessary, so I can see what I'm doing. I hide the guides. Now comes the easy and the expected part you want to see. Drag the man layer above the group text. I select the group text with this other text layer, and I also make another group, and I rename it text. Now I press Alt or Option between the layers, and when I see this icon I click to create a clipping mask. And there is the effect. Now, turn on the other man grouped layer. Delete this solid layer, is not necessary. With the Move tool selected, I select the text group, and I move it to the left a little bit using the arrow keys in my keyboard. I can change the color of the background to any color I want. You can also put shadow to the text optional. Just double-click in the text layer group, double-click and select Drop Shadow, change settings, and you are done. So there you have it. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you in the next video.